Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the device. Turn on airplane mode and disable Wi-Fi and mobile data so the malware can't phone home. Next, force stop apps you recently installed. Open settings, review running processes, and uninstall anything unfamiliar. Once done, remove external SD cards and any unknown SIMs. Malware sometimes hides on removable storage. Make sure to note recent behavior and times so you can correlate actions later. This containment prevents further damage while you prepare the cleanup tools and backups. You now perform the active removal. Boot into safe mode so only system apps run. This prevents malicious services from blocking uninstalls. Then run a reputable mobile antivirus scan and accept quarantines. Quarantine first, delete only after confirming. After scans, clear app caches and reset permissions for apps that requested excessive access. If an app resists uninstalling, revoke device administrator rights in security settings. Once revoked, uninstall it. Make sure to reboot after each major change and rescan to confirm cleanliness. You finish by restoring a safe state. First, back up important files selectively. Avoid backing up APKs or unknown executables. If the infection persists or core system files were altered, perform a factory reset. This clears deep infections. Once reset, reinstall apps only from official app stores, enable two-factor authentication, and set strong passwords to prevent reinfection. If problems continue, contact your carrier or a professional malware removal service. Key tip: if an app reappears after reset, offline reflashing by a technician may be required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.